Welcome. Okay guys, so I hope you did a lot of practice on my previous video, because you should need to do a lot of practice, because if you didn't practice, so perfection will not come. Okay guys, so let's start our today topic. So our today topic is about links, HTML links. So what is the meanings of HTML links? Let me define you simply this. HTML links mean this. It's also called the hyperlinks. What is the meaning of hyperlinks? Hyperlinks mean when you click on some text or some links, so it will jump to another page and open another page, or we can say it it's redirect to another page's noise. Simply we can say this is a links. Okay guys, so what is the syntax of the links? So let me define it inside the PHP Storm my editor. So this is the syntax of a, and this href here we can define the URL where we want to go. Okay, so this is the syntax of the link. And for example, let me give you an example. For example, it's I want to, when I click this Google text, so it will be jump to another, it will jump to the Google website. So here we can give it the URL, so http and www.google.com. okay, so let me run it on the Chrome. Okay, and I'm going to press F5 for the refresh. Okay guys, when I click on this Google text, so it will jump to another documents. Let me refresh it and again, and also click the Google. So as you see, as you are watching this, now it's come to the Google page. Okay, so here we can also, if you want to add the another link, href equal to http www. We can say it wikipedia.com. here we can say Wikipedia. Okay, let me run it on the Google, press F5. okay, also Wikipedia and the Google both has come. Okay, I click on the Wikipedia, so it will redirect me to the Wikipedia page. But I have a very slow internet this time. I don't know why it's not working properly. Now it's running and Wikipedia has website has come. Okay, so this is the how we can run this. Also we can link to another pages. For example, let me define the href, and also here we click, when you click, so it will be redirect to another page. Let me make a new HTML file, page 2. okay, and here we can say page 2. okay, and here we can give the path of this in page 2 path. okay, so when I refresh, click, so it will redirect to another page 2. Yes, there you go. Okay, I hope you did it. Okay guys, so today this is our tutorial. That was our tutorial lecture. So see you in the next lecture. Stay with us.